Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by pausing the game and opening settings. Once done, go straight to accessibility. This is the only place the narrator toggle lives. You don't need to close your session or change profiles, just open accessibility and scan the list. Make sure to use the controller's menu or keyboard-esque to enter settings quickly. You'll see Narrator or UI Narrator as an explicit option. This first move gets you to the control you must flip off to stop narration. Once in accessibility, locate the Narrator or UI Narrator line and focus on that option. You need to toggle it from on to off. Press A, Enter, or click to switch. After flipping it, confirm visually that the label reads off, because the voice can still speak until you finalize the change. Make sure to apply or accept settings if prompted, then back out to resume play. This direct toggle is the only in-game control that stops the narrator immediately. You finish by backing out to gameplay and verifying the voice is gone. That confirms the change. If you still hear narration, make sure you saved or applied settings, then quit and relaunch Minecraft Dungeons. A restart often completes the toggle. If it still persists, check your console or PC system accessibility settings because system-level narrators can overlap, but remember, the in-game accessibility narrator toggle is the primary control. One troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.